Fancy 2005 EP Civic Si. Next up on this Si, I got some lovely link pins here. This is the rear, and obviously they're broke, both sides actually. The best way I figure getting these off is to break them. They got plastic on the insides of this metal for the cage, so you can get in there with a pry bar or a big vice grip, but usually I can just push down on it and they just snap right off. Then I'm stuck with a plastic cage to deal with, and I usually just take a vice grip and I just grip down on it and try to break the plastic. And sometimes I use this. It's a regular full-size vice grip that I ground down so it's thinner. I dedicate these for link pins. If you do enough work, mechanical work, you're probably going to want to make one of these. They're getting really wore out. I've been using them for a long time. But this is wide enough so I can just use a regular vice grip. More is better. If you're doing these by hand, lots of fun, lots of luck. I got an impact though. Put a little penetrant on it. That was really on there. If you want them to come off a little easier too, you can always get some map gas and torch the nut. Unfortunately, this guy mail ordered 4 front link pins. I don't think this is going to work. He's screwed. He's really screwed. Okay, I went to the parts store and got the right ones. So I don't know what he's going to do with them other ones. I guess they're for sale. These have a hex nut on the back of them, so that's kind of nice. There, just that easy. Now I'm off to the front. This one's actually not broke. The other side is, so what I'm going to do, try to break this one off too. I'll just leave this like really loose, this vice grip, and give it a yank. Pop that out. Break this one off. These front ones, a lot of times you can't get at them with an impact. And I'm getting lucky. Okay, lucky number 1. I'm going to try to get on this one with a swivel socket, a really long extension. Just that easy. Okay, bye.